Thank you for visiting our website, travelbookingengine.co.uk and extreme.travelbookingengine.co.uk. This is the front end of our custom-made PHP Laravel website. Here you can see the complete front end of the website. It's very beautifully designed. And once you buy this platform, we can also amend and redesign the front end as per your requirements and as per your design if you need any update or if you want to amend anything. Apart from this is the front end, okay, for the PHP custom PHP made. Now let's search for a flight. So this is, as we have mentioned here, centralized super admin dashboard, fully equipped with all GDS API modules, ready to launch. So it just takes only an hour to install, and you just need to add your API from backend, and we will see the backend shortly, and then you are good to go. And we have also installed the payment gateways. So here you can see Amadeus GDS, Sabre GDS, Galileo GDS, and WorldSpan GDS. So this is ready for all these GDS just to integrate your API. And this is just for the design if you want this design, or we can just amend it. So build an incredible travel platform. Launch your own fully operational GDS powered booking engine and go beyond just flights. Sell hotels, transfers, visas, tours, cruises, and more from one powerful dashboard. So this is the introduction video, just for you to understand our travel booking engine. And you can click on request demo. Once you click on that, you can send us email. We will send you the demo logins. Okay, apart from this, now this is the front end for PHP custom Laravel website. Let's go and check its admin dashboard. Okay, so here is a TBE, travel booking engine admin panel. If you click on modules, you will see here a lot of features. These are complete modules. Like if you want to sell flights without GDS, you can simply turn on this feature, and then you can go to the flight section, and when it is turned on, for example, let me turn on this, then you will see here the flight section as well. So if I turn on this and then I refresh, so you can see the flight section here. And if you click on flight, then you can add flights, airports, airlines, flights featured, and flight suggestions. So this is for those travel agencies who wants to launch a website, but they don't want to add a payment gateway, and they don't want to add GDS APIs, and they just want to sell with the traditional way. So like they want just the flights to be featured with the prices, and then the customer can call you. So that is for traditional features, all these features, okay, until cruises. But let me turn off this again, and I'll refresh it. So the flight section is gone. If I turn on the hotels spaces, they will be also disappeared from here. So you can just turn on or turn off them from here. And if you turn off them from here, they will be disappeared from the front end as well. Okay. Now, from here, the module section is for the flights. For example, now I have turned on hotels, tours, and Amadeus flights. So here, if you look at the front end, this flight section is for this Amadeus module. Okay. Amadeus flights. So if you click on the Amadeus, this is the Amadeus module completely integrated from backend with the front end search form, and this will display the complete featured flights until the booking. So if you click on settings, so here you can see the demo credentials. These are the demo credentials for Amadeus. So this is just for the developer, okay? This API, this is the API you have to add, and here you have to add the second credential, the third credential. You have to leave this empty. And from here you can just turn on the merchant booking section, or if you want to go for affiliate section, then you can click on API. So we have developed this booking engine for merchant basis, like if you want to sell directly, or if you want to use third-party services, you can also integrate the third-party API by clicking this option. After this, you have to also change the mode. Like from here we have selected the development mode because we are the developers. And if you click on production, then once you have installed this platform on your own website domain, on your own domain and hosting, then once you have added your own API and security key, then you need to change this to production mode. So then you can start selling your flights, hotels, car rentals, cruises, whatever you want. So this booking engine is a complete platform for every travel category, like from hotels, spaces, tours, car rentals, buses, trains, each and everything. So whatever you want, you can just start selling them straight away. And you have an option to make amendments because this is the super admin panel, but you have also an option for the demo panel where the agents cannot make any amendments. There is an option for travel agent. There is also an option for suppliers. You can also provide this software to your suppliers. You can supply them or they can supply, and they cannot make any amendments. You will be the control. The admin panel authorities will be only with you. You can just provide them the logins, but they cannot make any amendments. So this is how the modules work out. And the same thing, if you scroll down, we have the affiliate options for Agoda, Booking, Travelport, and Travelport is for GDS, okay? Like Galileo and WorldSpan. We have same option for travel payout flights for affiliates. If you scroll down, we have a module for Sabre GDS. Same thing, we have an option for Galileo, and we have an option for WorldSpan. So every module you can just simply turn on them from here by simple clicking here, or you can select them from here and then you can click on turn on selected or turn off selected. You can completely turn off them, like you can select them all from here, and you can turn off them together. Same, you can work out with the markup, like you can add markup for your, for example, flights. You can click here and you can add for GDS. For example, you want to add a markup 30%. For B2B, for B2C, like business to customers, and B2B, like to your agents, like travel agents are working, because this is a B2B and B2C platform. So in this B2B and B2C platform, you can handle both customers and travel agents, and you can add your own markup. So these are the important section. For further details, you can request the demo logins and we can send them, or you can simply go to Extreme Pathfinders. Let me show you. Go to extremepathfinders.com. This is our official main website of our company, and from here you can click on demo section. From demo section you can click, you can contact feel free, means you can simply fill up these details and then write down in subject the demo logins and then just click send. Once you click send, you will get an email with including the details of demo logins for admin, for travel agent, for supplier, and for a customer. So you will have each and everything, and then you can simply go through of them and you can understand this platform. If you still get any question, or if any question comes in your mind and you don't understand anything, you can simply contact us by WhatsApp. You can add this number to your WhatsApp and you can send us a voice message or a text message. I hope you understood this platform, the PHP one, okay? The one made custom PHP in Laravel, okay? Now the second option we have for those people who want to go for the cheapest option. Like they can't spend like more than $1,000 or $2,000, so they want to go for the cheapest option, up to $500. So we have brought a revolution in the travel industry by developing a plugin. This is not a theme, this is not hectic that you have to install too many things. No, this is just a plugin. You can install any free theme on your WordPress website, and this is totally developed for WordPress. After that, you can simply install this plugin and you can add the code, and this is the front end for your travel booking. This is the form, same for hotels, same for cars, same for tours. And after that you can go to the backend. Let me show you the backend of WordPress plugin. So here is a WordPress website, so here is a WordPress website, and from here you can see APIs, okay? So flights, tours, car booking, same hotels booking, and then you can click on APIs. If you click on APIs, so you can see all of the options here: Galileo, WorldSpan, Travelport, and Amadeus. So if you click on Amadeus, sorry, it's Amadeus. Okay, let me Amadeus. Yeah, okay, Amadeus. So it's Amadeus, okay? So in the Amadeus section, if you come here, because we will amend this from later section, from the backend section, so you can just simply select Amadeus, okay? And after that, you can add your API key. You can select the feature, what are you selling through this API, and then you can add secret key, and you can add your markup, and you can simply update it from here. After that, once you update it, then your booking engine from front end will start selling the flights. For example, we have, let's see, we add Dubai. So from Dubai we add London. We have already added the Amadeus API to this booking engine from backend. I just showed you. And let's add selection. This is the WordPress plugin, okay? Then let's select a one-way flight on 27th of March. Let's select 2 passengers, and then you can select business and economy from here. After that, just click search, and the developer API is active, and here you can see the flight displayed from the API. So it's saying that on this date there's a 9 hours duration flight, and the price is €478 for both of them. And after that, if you click on details, you get the details here. This is from departure this time, arrival to departure from Dubai, and then arrival is this time at London City Airport. And if you click on booking, you simply go to the last page, fill the passenger details, you get the flight details here, you put your personal information here. After that, you put the traveler 1, traveler 2 information, and then you can simply click on pay. So whichever payment gateway is integrated in your website, you can simply click on confirm, and the payment will be charged and the booking will be issued through the same GDS API. So everything is on autopilot. So this is plug and play travel booking engine. That is why we call it plug and play travel booking engine. So this is developed for both for PHP, like for professional level websites, and for the cheapest option. But even this cheapest option also work out, and you can also request a design as per your needs, or you can also amend the style and the features of the website of the plugin. So we can do that for you as well. So same thing if you try the booking on, let's see, if you go on a hotel, you can search for hotel as well, but let's do flights. So for example, let's do flight from Jeddah, and then we click to Dubai. From Jeddah to Dubai, let's select 21st of March, and we select 1 passenger, okay, and then let's click on search. Okay, it's asking select again Jeddah. Let's click again. Now here you can see the flights. These flights are showing from 2 APIs. So we have turned on. If you go back to the admin panel, let's see, in the admin panel, if you see here, let's click on modules. So we have turned on the Amadeus Flight API, and also if you scroll down, the travel payouts flights. So the affiliates plus the direct flights options. So they are coming from 2 APIs, and here you get all the flights, which is the system is showing that you are getting these one-way flights. You can also click on direct or stops. If you click on direct, it will show you only the direct options. Now if let's go, for example, let's click on Emirates. If you click on the duration, more details, you get the flight duration 3 hours 45 minutes, Jeddah, arrival Dubai. And if you click on select flight, so this will take you to the booking page. Here you put the passenger details, you get the flight details, and here you get all the PayPal, bank transfer, pay later, and pay with Stripe. And you can also add your own payment gateway, and we can integrate that for you. After you click on terms and condition and click on confirm booking, so your booking is done. So this is how this travel booking engine works. This is just ready, like it's within few hours your travel agency is ready if you have your own API. But if you don't want to go for the API options, you can also sell traditional way flights. As I said, like in that way you can just forget about, you can turn off all these API based options and you can just simply click turn on the traditional way, and you can go like to hotels and then add your hotels, make settings, locations, and then after that you can start selling flights, hotels, tours, cars, trains, buses, cruises and spaces through traditional way. So this was the short 15 or 16 minutes introduction of the travel booking engine. If you have any question about this, about the travel booking engine, either for the PHP custom developed or the travel booking WordPress plugin for WordPress, so you can simply contact us, and the contact number is available on both sides. If you scroll down, and you can also request a demo, you can also contact us using WhatsApp. Okay, please send a voice message or a text because it's not easy to pick up the calls, because our staff is most of the time busy in developing an official work to provide better services to our customers. So if you send a voice message, we can entertain you quickly and respond to your queries quickly. Thank you for understanding.